Hello friends, today we are discussing how to draw the rules for both convex and concave lens. So in your previous session, in your previous class we discussed complete rules and formation for both concave and convex mirror. So in this chapter we are discussing how to draw the rules for both convex lens and concave lens. And friends, just you remember what are the rules are present in the mirror, the same rules you can observe in case of a lens. The only difference between the mirror and lens, in mirror if you pass a light ray, the ray will be reflected back. But in case of lens, if you pass a light ray, the ray will be emerging out. That means you can observe the refraction. Okay? That only the difference between the mirror and lens. In mirror, reflection. In lens, you can observe the refraction. The same rules and the same formation of image you can observe in case of a lens. Now, let me see your first rule. Okay. So, here you have your convex lens, Nana. Okay. This is your convex lens. So how you can identify it is a convex lens? Before starting the rules, you have to identify how a convex lens will be present. So in convex lens, we can observe very easily the middle part will be thick and the edge part will be thin. Okay. So in a convex lens, the middle part here you can observe it's a bulger. So the middle part is thick and the edge part will be thin. Okay. In case of concave lens, here you can observe it's a quite opposite. The middle part is very thin. Here you can compare for both. The middle part is thick. Here the middle part is thin. And edge part will be thin. Here the edge part will be thick. That is the difference between convex and concave lens. Here it is. Here you have your convex lens. Here you have your concave lens. Convex lens is also called as a converging. Here you can observe when a light ray is passing through the convex lens. That means when the light rays falls on the convex lens, the rays will converge. But in case of concave lens, here you can see the diverging you can observe. So concave lens is also called as diverging lens. Students, you have to remember very carefully. Convex lens is a converging lens and concave lens is a diverging lens. Now here you can observe your first rule. The first rule says that if a light ray coming parallel to the principal axis and falls on your convex lens, then the refracted ray will be passes through focal point. Similar to like your mirror, parallel to principal axis passes through focal point or focus. Here you can observe the light ray coming parallel to the principal axis and falling on the concave lens, then the refracted ray will appears to be coming from the focal point. Here you can see the dotted lines. Okay, this dotted line represents the ray. The refracted ray is appear to be coming from the focal point. We cannot draw like this, Nana, because due to its a diverging lens, the ray has to be diverged. Same rule you can observe, parallel to principal axis passes through focal point. Here also same, parallel to principal axis passes through focal point, and make sure that the refracted ray should appear to be coming from the focus. Okay, so this is your first rule. Parallel to principal axis passes through focal point. Parallel to principal axis passes through focal point. Now you can observe your second rule, which is quite opposite to your first rule. Here you can see the light ray coming from the focus or focal point and falls on the lens, then the refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. Okay, in lens as it is a lens, as we discussed. So when a light ray passes and falls on the lens, then the ray will be refracted. Here you see the light ray coming from the focus, after falling on the lens, the ray will be refracted. The refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. Now you can observe for the concave lens. Here you see passes through focal point. Here we cannot draw, Nana. So here you see the light ray is coming from F2. Here also you see the light ray appears to be falling on F2. The refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. These dotted lines represent the light ray is passing through focal point. Here you see the dotted line straight. If you extend this one, the light ray to be falling on focal point. Here also you see the light ray coming from the focal point, then parallel to the principal axis. This is your rule 2. Now you can observe the rule 3, which is very similar and very easy in the light ray passes through optic center, the refracted ray will emerge out without deviation. That means here you cannot observe any deviated ray. That means the bending of light will not take place when a light ray passes through optic center. Here also you can observe the light ray passes through optic center, it will emerge out without deviation. Okay, so this is your third rule, and you can observe your fourth rule. That means if a light ray passes through the principal axis, then the refracted ray will again passes through the principal axis only. Under these two cases, the ray will not get deviated. You cannot observe this fourth rule. A maximum mostly we have only these 3 rules, but I'll be explaining the fourth rule also. What happen if a light ray passes through the principal axis? The refracted ray will also passes through the same path. That means here you can observe the straight line. In a straight path the light ray will be traveling. In both cases the ray will not get deviated. Here also you can observe. Okay, so passes through principal axis, and again the refracted ray without emerging, it passes through the principal axis. These are the 4 rules for both the convex and concave. By using these rules only, we can draw the ray diagrams. That means placing an object at different positions and finding the images at different positions. Okay, so just you see parallel to principal axis passes through focal point. Here also see the light ray parallel to principal axis. See here the dotted lines. The refracted ray appears to be coming from the focal point. Here you see passes through focal point parallel to principal axis. Here also see the light ray to be incident on focal point straight up. Okay, and parallel to principal axis. If the light ray passes through optic center, it emerge out without deviation. Here also same you can observe. And the fourth rule, if a light ray passes through principal axis and the ray emerge out through the principal axis itself only without deviation. Okay, so these are the 4 rules for concave and convex lens. In next video we will be discussing how to draw the image formation by using these rules for convex lens and concave lens. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the video.